Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online lecture Social Studies class 5. Dear students, hope you clearly understand all the topics and the information about life in the desert and forest regions of your chapter number 3. Today I'm going to discuss with you the answer of the questions and activities of chapter number 3. So let's start. Come to question number 1. What are continental deserts? How are they formed? Continental deserts are in the middle of a continent. They get no rain, clouds, for example, Gobi Desert in Mongolia and the Australian desert. Question number 2 is, why is the population of desert regions so low? The answer of this question is, deserts are hot, dry places with a harsh climate. There is little or no vegetation, very little water, poor soil, no farming and no food crops. There are no settlements and no development. The population is very low and mostly nomadic tribes live in these areas. Come to the next question. Question number 3. What are sorts of vegetation would you find in a desert? Answer of this question is, desert plants are spiny and have thick fleshy stems that store water. The spines prevent the animals from eating the plants. Question number 4 is, how has Saudi Arabia become a rich country? Answer is, Saudi Arabia has large reserves of oil underground. The government sells the oil and uses the money for the development of the country. Question number 5 is, name the South American countries which have equatorial forest. Answer of question number 5 is Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil in South America have equatorial forest. Question number 6, why are equatorial forests important? Answer is, these forests are very important because they are a source of oxygen for all living things and are known as the lungs of the earth. The next question is, differentiate between equatorial and temperate forest. Equatorial forests are hot, wet and humid all year round. The vegetation is very dense as plants grow very close together. There is a large variety of animals. Temperate forests are very cold and the vegetation is very different. The trees grow apart and there is ground vegetation, the form of bushes. The animals, birds and insects population is not as high as in the equatorial regions. Question number 8. What problems do people living in equatorial forest? People find it difficult to travel through these thick dense forests and they cannot clear the land for cultivation. They also face the problem of tropical diseases. The next question is, why are there fewer temperate forests in the southern hemisphere? Answer is, there are fewer temperate forests in the southern hemisphere because there is less land mass and more water covering the surface of the earth. The ocean currents on either side of Africa and South America keep the land warmer than the huge land mass of the continents in the northern hemisphere. Yes, students, come to work page. The question is, find these words in a dictionary or an encyclopedia. Write a sentence to explain each word. The first word is Bedouin. Bedouin is the name for nomads of the Arabian desert. The next word is Sirocco. Sirocco is the name for the hot, dry, dusty wind that blows through the Mediterranean regions. The next word is Wadi. A wadi is a dry river bed in the Middle Eastern desert. It means valley. Nomad. A nomad is a wanderer, a person who does not live in one place and is constantly on the move. The last word is cactus. A cactus is a fleshy plant usually with prickles, found in a hot, dry climate? The next question is, write the words in appropriate below in the appropriate column. Here are some of the words and you have to write them in the correct column. Climate. The first one is climate. Climate relate to wind, temperature, rainfall, whirlwind. The next one is land. Land relate to sandy, rocky, wadi dunes. Vegetation. Vegetation relates to spiny leaves, stem, roots. And the last one is animals. Camel, snake, lizards, hedgehogs are the animals. The next word is the next sentence. Circle the things found in equatorial forests with green ink and those in temperate forests with blue. Some of the things may be found in both kinds of forests. Circle them with both colors. Here is the answer of the question. You have to circle the equatorial forest with green ink and the temperate forest with blue. Answer of both the equatorial and temperate forest is given below. You have to follow it correctly. The next question is, complete these sentences. Number 1, trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall because roots of coniferous trees help the soil. The third one is, dead trees in rainfall to the ground because plants in rainforest grow fast because animals are not hunted for their fur because. And below is the answer of all these questions. You have to learn it and copy it from here and write in the book. Okay students, this is all from lesson number 3 work page and the answer of the questions. Hope you understand all these activities very carefully and completely.